Hey, Subi friends. Hi. I'm prepping for tomorrow's Wet Soap Wednesday Live. We're going to be making some confetti soap. I'll have the event and everything set up on the Facebook page. You can hear me now? Okay. So I thought before I graded everything up, I'd tell you what colors we have in here. This awesome purple here is my anti-alkanet. This is an old end piece from the 1 year anniversary soap that has some awesome Rainforest Chica colors in it with the blue is Ann George's indigo. This is another indigo sample. I don't remember. It looks like there's lots of indigo and more indigo. So it's like a bunch of different blues in here. Oh, this one. The tangerine color I got, that was intentional. It came out awesome. And yeah, this was a while ago. I don't remember. I think it's like Mataroot and Annatto. I'd have to go back and check my notes. Here is a faded green from, I do believe this is alfalfa. And then, of course, we have our awesome Himalayan rhubarb and annatto gradient and kind of confetti soap turned confetti soap. This is, gosh, these are so old. This is an old bar of some alkanet. Oh, look, this was an old confetti soap too. That was a white soap base, I think 100% coconut oil with salted out indigo. I think I did that in the salting out tutorial. I have no idea. We made this one last week with our ghost swirl. And yeah, okay, I think that's everything we have in there. So real quick, this is how I shred the soap. I use my KitchenAid. And I actually have, I'm going to set it up, show you how I set it up. Okay, so this piece here is a grinder attachment to it, and you just unscrew this and pop it on. That's not a big deal. I normally use this attachment to grate things up, but I think I wanted my chunks chunkier, so I thought I'd do this one. And this is what you'd use to, like, I think, do cucumbers. See, I don't use this for cooking, really, because I have a big knife. Okay, let me see if I can show you kind of inside here. Okay, you pop this in here. There's just a little hole in there that this sits into. And the cool thing about it is that will allow you to twist it on. There, see? Now it's attached. And you just pop it in there, and then there's a little lever over here, and that holds it in. See if I did that right. I think I did. It's hard explaining something that you just do. In, down, it should be in there. Okay, let's see. And you turn on and see now it just turns. There you go. Okay, so you can also use a salad shooter. Let's see how well this goes. Some of these are kind of old. And I'm just pressing down on here. Oh, they're pretty chunky. Yeah, but see, I'm getting some bigger bits. Let's get that tangerine colored one. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so I don't know what color I'm going to make the base soap. I might just make it white, putting some indigo in there. Okay, these are, I was hoping the chunks would be bigger, but yeah, I think it'll be fine. I think I might go white. Yeah, as I was saying, I don't know, we could do yellow maybe. I don't know if any of you have an idea of what color, here comes the pink, the base soap should be. Let me know. Maybe I'll pop a little poll up over in the group or something after it's all shredded up. Sounds like it's gonna like die from the soap. It won't though. There we go. I'm gonna turn off for a minute just to make sure there's nothing up in there. Okay. Let's give this a little stir. Oh, it smells really good. Oh, that's really pretty. Maybe it will go white. Okay, I'm gonna do more of the pink. I think that's gonna look really pretty with lots more pink in it. So I'm just gonna shove a bunch of pink in there. And I think I'm even just gonna kind of crumble some of it up. I mean, it doesn't have to be all perfectly shredded. It's the fun of confetti soap. Just grab this and mix it on in there. Now, I hope I don't have more confetti than I need. I probably do, though. I was just going to make one loaf. If I do have a bunch extra confetti, maybe I'll just make 2 loaves. So I do need some more birthday soaps. I like to give people soaps for their birthday. Just like as random. I kind of just keep some soap in my bag all the time with like a happy birthday label on it. Kind of instant birthday gift. Oh, that looks awesome. I should have tared the weight of my bowl out before I put the soap in it. Let me get another bowl so we can measure how much we have here. I need, I think it's about 550 grams. Here's my flour. I grabbed a super small little bowl. Oh my gosh. Talk about not being prepared. Impromptu little live here. If any of you, oh, let's see. Kathy says, how about a light green? Oh, spring green. Oh, that could be great. Oh, I like that. Yes. And, yeah, with Rainforest Chica clays. Oh, that sounds great, Kathy. Hi, Dinah. Thanks for popping in. Oh, hi, Penka. Kathy, I think I like your green idea with all that pink. Here, let me just tear this out and see how much I have in here. And we'll see if we need to grate up any more. Okay, am I on grams? No, I'm on ounces. Who knows why? So I've got my phone like on this little neck strap thing that oh yeah, that's plenty, that my sister hooked me up with. And I think it's kind of cool because I can just like walk around and here you are and you're not all bouncy. I think this will be great with green. Okay, yay, we'll do green. I have a little bit more than I need in here, but just a smidge more. So yeah, I'm gonna go with it. We will have a little bit extra confetti in it, and I still have all of that to deal with. We will do another rebatch coming up with this leftover stuff at another time. Oh, you know what? I think this. Oh no, this was the acai. Rainforest Chica's acai. These are like the ends of some floating soap. Ooh, maybe I'm going to keep these and stick them in a soap sack in my shower. I used the last bar in my shower and it was like freaking awesome. And I was sad I didn't have any more. Okay, so yep. All right, we'll turn this all into soap tomorrow at Soap Wednesday live, 12:30 Arizona time. I will go get that event set up for you all and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for popping in and hanging out with me for a brief little live here. Happy soaping, everyone.